Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my little corner of YouTube. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy and healthy cauliflower and broccoli stir fry. It's absolutely delicious and it only takes 10 to 15 minutes to make. So please feel free to switch out the ingredients that I've used and use whatever it is that is available to you in your kitchen. I hope to post more food recipes like this on the channel, so please subscribe, turn on post notification. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.